Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about business ethics. Okay, first let me tell you about ethics. What is ethics? Ethics is nothing but principles, values, and beliefs that define what is right and wrong behavior. It varies from place to place. For example, a business ethics a person may follow in a military camp is totally different from the one he follows at a restaurant. Business ethics is application of ethical principles in day-to-day business life is called business ethics. It also helps us to identify and solve complex moral dilemmas. Okay, let me differentiate between business ethics and personal ethics. Business ethics is a code of conduct which imposed on an employee by an organization. Personal ethics is a code of conduct which governs individual's whole life. Business ethics are qualities that you learned later in life, especially after joining workplace. For example, punctuality, time management, confidentiality, transparency, etc. Personal ethics are qualities that you learn from your mother, from your childhood. Maybe it's influenced by your religion or people around you. For example, honesty, integrity, seriousness, etc. Okay, there are 12 different principles of business ethics. They are honesty, integrity, promise keeping, loyalty, fairness, caring, commitment to excellence, respect for others, law abiding, leadership, accountability. That's all. Okay, well, now we are going to see how ethical executives follow these principles in their day to day business life. Okay, let me start with honesty. Be honest in all communications and actions. Ethical executives do not mislead or deceive others. Ethical executives are above all. Okay. Next one, integrity. Integrity is a quality of being honest. Maintaining integrity always requires moral courage and the inner strength to do the right thing, even if it costs more than they want to pay. Ethical executives earn others' trust through their integrity. Okay. Next one, promise keeping. Ethical executives should always keep their promises. If they break a promise, the client should not trust them again. Ethical executives do not act on an emotional instinct. Even though for the welfare of their client, they should not break a promise without a permission. Okay. Next one, loyalty. Be loyal within the framework of others' principles. Ethical executives justify trust by being loyal to their organizations and people they are working with. Okay. Next one, fairness. Ethical executives strive to be fair and just in all their dealings. For example, if someone steals something from your company, even though it's your favorite coworker, you should not shift the blame. By that way, he will get what he deserves, and that's what fairness is. Okay, next one, caring. Ethical executives genuinely care for others' well-being. Okay, next one, respect for others. Ethical executives always respect people around them. Even though they are not their superiors, they will respect others. It will help to build a healthy environment. Okay, next one, law abiding. Ethical executives are abide by rules, laws, and regulations in all their business activities. Okay, commitment to excellence. Ethical executives pursue excellence in all their communications and actions in all things. Okay, ethical executives set the goal for themselves and for their organizations and for their team, and they never forget to celebrate when it is achieved. Okay, next one, leadership. One of the key factors of the leadership is decision making. If the leader make a correct decision, the company will always be in the path to success. Everyone in the company looks up to the leader. Okay, next one, accountability. Be accountable. Accountability addresses both employees' expectation of an organization and an organization expectation of the employee. Okay, now I am going to take two individual companies which comes under various industries and analyze how business ethics works there. Okay, first I am taking Nestle. Nestle is one of the oldest companies in the world. It's a food processing company which comes under food and beverages industry. It was founded in 1866. The founder of Nestle is Henry Nestle. It is 155 years old company. The current CEO of the company is Mr. Wolf Mark Scheeder. The company has headquarters in Vevey, Ward and Switzerland. The products company is producing are food products, baby food, baby formulas, dairy products, coffee, canned water, etc. Performing in an ethical manner is at the core of Nestle's business approach. Beholding strong ethical principles not only in their direct business but throughout their entire value chain. The CEO of Nestle claims that respect has a special and powerful meaning in Nestle. It influences the way they work and run their company. It builds the trust that customers have in them, and they have zero tolerance for bribery, corruption, and fraud. The values rooted in respect for others, respect for ourselves, respect for diversity, and respect for future. Okay, first, respect for ourselves. Respect starts with being true to ourselves and act with integrity and honest. Okay, next, respect for others. Respecting others creates a climate of mutual trust, and this is something we should be proud of. Okay, next one, respect for diversity. We should respect others' cultures, religions, others' thinking, and their values. Okay, next one, respect for future. They have respect for future, and generations who follow us influence them to act and take decisions with courage even though it is hard. Okay, next I have taken a company named Tata Consultancy Services. It's an Indian multinational company. It was founded in 1968. It's a 53 years old company. It's one of the Tata groups of companies. The founder of this company is Tata Sons. They are providing both IT services and IT consulting. They have headquarters in Mumbai, India, Maharashtra. Okay, they are following some core values in their company. It's included in their code of conduct. They are integrity, responsibility, unity, pioneering, and excellence. Okay, let's see what's integrity. They say we will be fair and honest and transparent in all our actions. Okay, next, unity. They say we have good relationship with our employees and business partners. Okay, next, responsibility. They say our only job is to ensure that what comes from people goes to them many times over. Okay, next one, excellence. They say we will always be trying for the highest quality. Okay, next one, pioneering. They say we never afraid to take a risk. We will be including new schemes, strategies, and ideas for the welfare of the company. Okay, these are the 5 code of conduct and values they follow in this company. This doesn't mean they didn't follow any other rules, but these are the 5 code of conduct, important code of conducts. Thank you.